Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be looking at how to quickly multiply two two-digit numbers which are both lower than 19. So for example 18 times 13 and so on. Now you can also use the box method, in which I talked about in the second video of this mental math series. However, if you are still uncomfortable with doing that in your head, this one is a really easy example or easy method to multiply these two numbers. Now let's get my cyan out. Actually, let's say that equals bracket. Now let's get my cyan out for number 1. What you want to do is look at these two numbers and see which one is bigger. In this case, this one is bigger, and this one's smaller. So what you want to do is get the smaller number's 1th digit and add it into this. So what you do is you get the bigger digit and then you add that into, or you add the smaller number's 1th digit into the bigger number. So that in this case is 21. Okay, now the second one you have to do is look at the 1st digit of the two numbers and multiply it by together. So 8 times 3 equals 24. Okay, now the third thing you want to do, actually I forgot to mention, what you want to do in this one is add a 0 at the end, like so. Okay, maybe you can say that this is a third option, the third one, add a 0, add 0. Now the last thing you could do is, after you added a 0, you just add these two numbers together. Oops, that looks like a multiply when I was supposed to do a plus. So that equals 210 plus 24 is 234. And let's check. Get my calculator out. And what was it? 18 times 13, 234. There we go. Now, because we still have a couple minutes left, let's quickly do another example. Don't save. Come on, black and white, and let's use 19 times 17, two relatively big numbers. Now the first thing you want to do is look at these two numbers and you say this one's bigger and this one's smaller, and you get the 1st digit of this and add it into that. So you say 19 plus 7 equals 26, and then you add a 0 at the end. So it turns into 260. The second thing you want to do is get the 1th digit of both numbers and then multiply by together. So 9 times 7 equals 63. The last thing you want to do is add 260, which is this number, with the 63, which is this number. So that equals 323. So hopefully this is the answer to our question. So let's get our calculator out. 19 times 17 equals, there we go, 323. So I could give myself a huge tick. That looks like with V, a huge tick. There we go. So that was a quick video on how to multiply two two-digit numbers, both are when both of them are under a value of 19. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.